Yeah, I mean, I think the other area that I would really cover is just the shift from more personal lines MGAs to commercial MGAs. I mean, we've seen a lot of interest in areas that were previously, I would say, uncovered. And one of the startups that won our competition, Honeycomb Insurance, it used to be called Agilius, they focused just on landlords that are 2 to 50 units,
Yep.
which is a very underrepresented area, which I can speak from experience. It's difficult to get the right insurance coverage that you want.
Yep.
And that's just one. I mean, we had a company talk in our executive briefing, Energetic Insurance, and they're focused just on middle market solar credit lines. So providing credit insurance for people that are building solar farms, but not the super big farms, just the mid-market, whether it's on a building or industrial. And I mean, if companies like Energetic can find a strong market, I think there's a ton of uncovered areas of commercial lines that are going to get unearthed and built.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, another trend that I think we also see is agent tech. Startups that help agents and brokers, which at some point years ago, everybody thought they're going out of business. There will be no brokers in the world, but that everybody has learned that it will not be the case. There will be brokers and agents in the future, that's for sure. And so a lot of solution providers are trying to help them be more effective and efficient. I mean, we've seen some startups who initially built stuff for the carriers, the insurers, and then pivoted to help brokers and agents. And they actually see kind of that it's easier for them to work with agents because you're not working with giant companies. They're working with a few agents with 100 people, 200 people. They find that it's been easier to actually get them to buy in and actually implement the solution. So we've seen companies like Insurmi. It's like a chatbot business. Initially, they're focused only on insurers, and then they sort of found a lot of traction with agents, and they're now focusing more on agents, for example. So I think that'll be the case going forward. There'll be a lot of agents and brokers who are going to be very technologically advanced, and they'll be around. They're not going away.
Well, and the carriers want to help their agents and add additional value. So if they can bring them InsurTechs, it's almost the same analogy to the reinsurers bringing underwriting tools to the carriers.
Yeah, that's a good point. Ironically, the tough thing about serving the agent space is distribution. If you get a carrier, there's only 2,500 or whatever P&C carriers in the US, but there's, in a city, there could be more than that just of agents.
This is Tony Lew
and David Gritz from InsurTech NY, and this is the future of insurance.